Norway, guys. We're on a road trip going up north after the halibut. Only me and Adam and Craig today. Adam's and Craig here.
Yeah.
What do you think of the view, guys? Look at this.
Absolutely stunning today, mate.
Stunning day, sun's out. Loads of snow everywhere. We got loads of bait for us today. We've got herring, mackerel, squid, black lug, ragworm, smelt. What else?
Bluey.
Oh, we got bluey. Did you put some bluey?
Yeah,
I've got some bluey,
mackerel.
Mackerel. So
Throw everything at it today, aren't we?
we're gonna throw everything at it today. Hopefully get that halibut. Even if you get like a run from it, that'd be even better than nothing. But we got about an hour and a half drive now, and yeah, enjoy the scenery. See you when we get there. Rushing, boys!
Taking locals out.
Well, I stopped up for a couple of casts here on this pier on the way to Halibut Mark, about 15-20 minutes away from where we wanted to go. But Craig convinced to come here. He said he had some nice link out of here. We're just gonna give it a go, a couple of hours. Just gives me a little bit as well from driving. So just fishing one rod each. Baited up with the bluey, just a normal usual pulley panel rig, 6/0, 5/0 circle, the bloomy beads there, but they won't do any good right now. Using my brand new rod as well, any fishing of a 4-on bait, fixable 13 foot. It's brand new, not used yet on this trip. Took 3 bait rods with me to this halibut mark and a spin rod, so I've got 4 rods for later. First cast going in, Craig's fishing already. We'll check this out for a view. Very nice comfortable mark. What a stunning place. Anyway, get this bait on. Hopefully one of us get a fish. This is just like a quick couple of casts, break the joint up a bit, and get some food and drinks off that cove up there. So stay tuned, everyone. What a lovely day. Right, guys, we're at the mark we want to be, on the halibut mark on the pier. That's Adam. He's got his first cast in, and weather turned for the worse. Side wind just blowing, snow melting down. You can't really trust this Norwegian weather at the moment. It changes every 10 minutes. So hopefully that passing. Already got one rod out, my new rod, 4-on bait. I've had that baited up on the last mark, just chucked in a cool box, and ready to go. Just backed it on, ready to go. I'm just firing the other 2. Just got normal pulley panel, 6/0 on this. That's the halibut rig. Single 8/0 on the pan line, 6-on gripper, pulley panel, about 2.5 foot long. See what we can get here. Any fish is a bonus in the daylight at the moment. It's been really hard going in the day. So hopefully get a fish before darkness, and then we're gonna go all out when the sun sets. So stay tuned. Hopefully this wind passes and it'll be more comfortable for us here. Either way, we're here, so we give it a go. There you go, beautiful here. Nice, comfy mark. All the mountains over there, sunbeam in there, massive snow clouds and showers there. Anyway, let's get these rods baited up. That's gonna be either big mackerel or full bluey on that, and this is gonna be probably a ragworm. So fingers crossed, hopefully a good day. Extreme fishing. Wind howling, snow belting down now, side wind. You'll have to turn around, look this way. Managed to get 3 rods out. We're fishing everyone. We definitely deserve a fish in these conditions anyway. I'll say. We'll keep at it. We drove 2 hours to get here, so not leaving till we get a fish.
Get
in.
Not expecting that.
No, well done,
That was on a bluey and squid bait.
Never been so happy to see a fish.
Look at that.
Lovely. Haddock.
Is that a haddock?
Yeah,
I think
haddock.
it is, isn't it?
It's haddock, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely haddock.
Not massive, but
Not massive, but definitely deserve
look
fish.
at that. Right, took the pen a look. I think it's taken all the bait, to be honest, but
Yeah.
you can actually feel it grunting. Hold on to it there on its belly.
Oh yeah.
You can feel it grunting.
It's been sat there ages probably, isn't it?
I haven't been seeing any bites, to be honest with you. All I've seen is
Adam,
wind
you getting
and
bite
snow.
on your left hand side, bud?
Getting a bite?
I think so, mate. Oh, there's just a little tuck. We'll keep an eye on that anyway.
Yeah, keep an eye on it in the background, but
Yeah,
can't be happy with that.
we haven't seen any bite because of the snowstorm with the wind and that.
But like I say, bluey and squid bait has done the business there. Nice one, we'll get it unhooked, guys. Sean?
Fish on again. As we were talking about the small haddock.
Just dropped it.
No. That was a cracking pull down. Oh well. Try again. Maybe leave it where it is, Adam.
Yeah, I'm going to leave that where it is.
What was that?
That's just straight blacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight blacks on a rolling lead.
Nice to see a bit of action here. It's been awful weather-wise.
Yeah,
The weather's changing every 5 minutes here. So that gives us a bit of excitement. I'll best change my baits. They've been out 45 minutes probably. Just couldn't see anything because of the snow. Anyway, stay tuned guys. Hopefully a decent session here this evening into the darkness. Adam might be on here. It's been another hard day. It's fishing here.
That one's going now as well.
Is it? I can't see it.
You just flick the bail on, Mo. Flick the, yeah.
Let's have a look.
Something's going on with this as well, I think.
Yeah, a bit of a weight on there.
And that one's going.
Is it biting? Yeah.
It's not kicking. I think it's a big crab or something.
Or yeah, or starfish. Oh,
Yeah, big old crab.
yeah, spider spider crab. Spider. Big old females with a spider crab there. Is that your first one?
Yeah, first one.
I had a couple of them. Very spiky. Watch the claws. Full of eggs.
They've even got spikes on their claws, man.
Yeah.
Not the best sign, is it?
No. Well, they're moving anyway.
Yeah, go move spots.
Should get back on. Yeah, moving beyond that shed there. Craig been fishing there by himself. So he had 2 caught in and I lost a decent one. He couldn't land it because of the rocks there in front of him. So time to pack up and move there. It's deeper water there as well, apparently. So let's get packing up and move up with there. This wind's been horrible. Can't even see bites. Right, in a bit. Fish on again. Craig's into a fish, move the spot. Near the right, pull down. Try and get it over. Coming in. Nice little cod there. Can you pinch it? Not a bad fish, bud. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, nice little bit of a kelpie, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice out there.
Right, let's get bait out. Well, I got 2 bait out already. I think I better put the 3rd one out or not. Looks like a big storm cloud coming now. It's been very hard with the conditions and the fishing, but Craig seems to find him anyway. Let's get the bait out of the water, get that third rod out. I don't want to blank the bait. Tea time. Check this out for a spot though. What a spot. Now the cods. Craig's cod. And my foot there. Nice and long. Ready to be filleted to take back home. You're allowed 15 kg each on a bait box. Well, I've got 3 rods out. 2 plopper on one, half a mackerel on the other, and squid and mackerel on the 3rd rod. The fake rods there. Thing is, he hits further than us, so he seems to be getting the fish that way. But check this out for sunset. Lovely. There's Adam. I'm gonna try the lures now. How the sound goes now. Found a good for pollock now. Wind dropped slightly, but we might get some more showers in a bit, I think. Still no fish for me. Adam at haddock. Craig on 4 fish. last day tomorrow, everyone. What an experience this has been. Definitely coming back. One of the lads was saying that I know back home, his mate been coming for 5 years and he had to catch a double figure cod, so I've done pretty well. But still time. Darkness usually better. That's what we found anyway. Oh. We'll stay a few hours in the dark. If it fishes well, we'll carry on. If it doesn't, we might go elsewhere. No time to go back to the digs, really. Craig, right inside road. Just a little knock there. Come on. The views are to this world. Left as well, is it?
Yeah.
Nothing on mine. Or Adam's. Well, we're gonna stick to it anyway. Might as well. If you don't try, you don't get there. So stay tuned. Hopefully, one of us gets some decent fish. At least one of us. I'll be happy with that. In a bit, guys. Sorry about the wind noise. Here we go. Long spitting, tiny codling. Crepes into the fish as well. Crepes onto the fish. Coming in light. Anything there, bud? Hey!
How'd that give a bend like that?
I know, yeah, massive bite that was. Exactly the same size as what I've, yeah. Right, get that cod in, unhooked. Been howling now again. Super chilly here. Biting here actually. Anyway, get this fish back. Back this way. Right, welcome back again. Change your spot. Unfortunately, we've weathered off on the halibut mark, but instead of going back to the digs, we stopped at Leswick Pier again. We came here a couple of days ago, and fished in the daylight. Managed a few small cod in here, and a couple of hak fish. Fishing the ebb, back the one to the pier, so nice and comfortable, hard in the wind, literally flat calm here. I've had my first bite on the look bait, just waiting if that comes back again. So we're gonna give it a go, a couple of hours on the ebb, maybe a couple of hours off the low water, see what we can get. Got half a mackerel on the left and just a look bait on the right. Chance of cod, haddock, coley, maybe dab on flounders, whiting. Yeah, you wouldn't think it's the same evening here. We came here, wind behind us, nice, comfortable. Very comfortable mark to fish. Literally fishing off our runs there. That's Adam there. He got all them woods behind him. So yeah, see what we can get here, guys. Hopefully a couple of nice fish just to finish off the day. We got all day tomorrow and then fly in the early hours in the morning on Thursday. So bear with us. Hopefully get some action on the camera in a bit. Well, first Chuck, guess who caught Craig again? He's been out fishing us. He said he'll get the first fish, and he's about to land his first fish, but I don't think anything big.
Not shark maybe.
Huh?
Ghost shark maybe.
Ghost shark. He's coming up. You guys probably can't see. Let's have a look. Right. That's what happens when you cast over 100 yards. It takes ages to reel them in. So look. Leaders in.
Codling.
Or biting. Haddock. Small haddock, everyone.
Well, that's small to see the strip.
Yeah, smallest one of the trip. Well, Craig beat his blank straight away on this mark. His 7th fish of the day. I'm on 1, and Adam's on 1 still. I'll get that on hook and send it back. Right. Come on, my rods. Just gonna pip out another rig while we're waiting. That's it. Spare rig getting buried in the snow. Just the normal single, simple pulley panel. Get that baited out with a monster rock. Check the size of that. That's a bait elastic next to it. Monster. That's just one cut bait there. Get that baited up and send it out on the next cast. Right. Alright, I'll say bye to the boys when I'll speak to you more.
Bugger all this.
Oh, that looks like a panera again. Panera again. Yeah, it's another one.
Oh,
Caught another one.
yeah, get back, ball back.
Lovely, mate.
Ghost shark.
No, what's
Chimera.
it? Chimera. That's
Chimera.
Yeah.
That's a chimera,
There's a
ghost
smile,
shark,
eh?
ratfish, whatever you name it. The man himself, Craig, smashing it again.
Got a few for you, mate.
Some teeth on it, isn't there?
Yeah, there's some other gnashes there.
Trying to bite me.
Is that the
There
mark?
you go. Yeah. Oh!
That was close.
Stinging straight to out.
Ooh,
You can see the barb on it
He's
then.
got a spine right on top of the fin there.
Definitely barbed the way it's stuck to you there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks like a spurred up one. Oh, it's stick. It's
Careful, mate. Don't
Yeah.
go messing with it. Careful.
Like, it's like a sandpaper.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
probably the little barbs to stop it coming
Yeah.
out.
Look
Yeah.
at lateral line down, it's in.
Absolutely beautiful fish.
Yeah.
It's almost like it's armoured. It looks like it has
The
armour
eyes
plating.
just something else in it.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, get it
Right,
back.
let's get it back here.
Off he goes.
Night fishing.
Fish on, guys. This could be a good fish. It's not kicking much.
I reckon shark.
Yeah. Bit of a weight to it.
Oh, I see something.
Yeah.
I think it's a chimera.
Yeah.
Oh no, blackmouth. Is that a dogfish? Have you caught a dogfish in Norway?
No.
Mate, I think it is. Oh no, ghost shark. Blackmouth, sorry. Very nice, mate. I thought it was a dogfish then.
Well, I thought it was bigger fish than this, to be honest. Well, the species I haven't caught yet. No spike on this, is there?
No.
What's this one?
Blackmouth dogfish.
Blackmouth dogfish. Hang on, I'll get the hook out just in case.
Yeah. Do you want T-bar or? Oh, nice. I need to get a fresh bait out, man. I'm getting nothing over there. Right.
There we go. Nice little blackmouth dogfish.
See if we can show the inside.
Yeah. Is it black?
Doesn't really look very black. It's a bit brown, but
But is it definitely
you can see
blackmouth,
little
yeah?
teeth on them as well.
Yeah, look at that mouth.
Really wide gape on them.
Anyway, new
Lovely looking
species.
fish.
Yeah, very nice. Smoother than normal dogfish, isn't it? Definitely a lot smoother. The skin. Happy with that. Second fish all day. Been very hard going, say the least. And what a couple of miles. What a difference it makes moving down the country. Looks a bit flat, calm. Very comfortable fishing here. So what, about an hour before low. We fish it down, maybe a couple of hours up. If the fish picks up, we stay here. If not, might try somewhere else. See you guys. Quick update, everyone. We left the fishing just pausing in front of the Northern Lights. You can't probably pick you up on the GoPro, but I will put a couple of pictures on now for you to look at. We're hoping they'll come a bit more vivid.
Oh, I've got to get a photo of that.
I don't think you can pick you up on there. 1, 2, 3, is there? Yeah.
It's massive.
Oh, that's a massive one there. You can't pick you up over there. GoPro's pretty poor on the dark light. But oh, best get that one in. Oh, that's really brightened up now. You can't see it at all. I'll show you on my phone quickly. Fingerprints not recognizing. Right. Here we go. That's one of Craig's picture.
Oh, that's a cracking one. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at this one.
Get off the. Come
Look
over
at
this
that
way. Oh wow.
What are we doing, mate?
One of ours, that massive.
Yeah, we've got to get one of all of us, mate.
Come on, ready?
Are we going down?
Yeah, come on. Ooh. I'll show you the picture in a minute, guys. Fine. Oh. What a send off for us on our proper last night. We got a tomorrow all day, but yeah, quite happy with this.
Yeah, mate.
Brilliant. Anyway, guys, don't want to bore you with this Northern Light things. Well, get back to you if you hear any more action on the road. Adam's on, guys. Literally 5 minutes ago, clear sky, watching the Northern Lights. None of the storm just moving in. This is just incredible. Literally. Let's have a look what Adam got. Anything there, Adam? Haddock? What second haddock got today? You okay? Oh, not a bad size at all.
Good little fight off that guy.
Yeah? There you go. Adam with his second Nordic of the day. That's all he's catching at the moment.
Look as well, right in the lip.
Oh yeah. Straight rockworm.
Straight ragworm.
2 flopper.
Little loomy beads, pink beads. Perfect.
Perfect blue hooked as well. Craig said, Adam, get 2 flopper, just chuck it in front of the spear about 10-15 yards away. You'll get a fish, and he did. Nice one. Just can't believe it is like that. Just mad. Literally, no more than 5-10 minutes. It was clear sky. You could count the stars, and then northern light shows and everything. Now the snow belting down and the wind picked up. What a place this has been. Definitely coming back. Yeah, fantastic. Fishing been hard at times. People do think when you come to Norway you catch loads of monsters, but unfortunately it didn't work that way. But no, did alright for first trip. Definitely know what to do next time. But massive thanks to Craig. Obviously he's been guiding us. He's been here like 11 times, so quite grateful about that. We got him. But yeah, it's been an amazing trip. Hopefully one more episode coming up, which will be next one. Let's see if we can get anything else. It's slack, almost slack water now. We're gonna wait till the tide turned. The base been out there quite a while now, so see what's the flood in the tide will bring us. Fingers crossed, guys. Right guys, just arrived to the digs now. Wow, what a day. We put a ride shift in. We've been out on the road since 10 o'clock. It's nearly 1 o'clock now, so I've been out like 14-15 hours searching for that monster fish, but it didn't happen again. We all caught. I've had blackmouth dogfish, the first ever one, and what did I have? Small codling. I really can't remember, I'm that tired. Anyway, Adam had a couple of haddock, couple of blackmouth dogfish. Craig hardfished it was all again. He had good few codling and a ghost shark. Yeah, really good day out with the lads, and then topped up with the northern lights. That was amazing. Something you would never, well, you wouldn't see every day, would you? So very pleased with that. Yeah, another hard going day, but still enjoyable day out. Just enjoying the surroundings and beautiful views and stuff. That's it, guys. That's the end of well, day 6 I call it, but it's day 5, full day 5. So stay tuned for the next day. Hopefully I'll upload that within a week or so. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.